Hello Scorpio, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your September monthly love reading. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also check out your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. You could check those videos as well. Messages could resonate, Scorpio. So let's see what the cards have for you, and hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff in love for you this September. So let me first I will pull out 3 cards of your energies and 3 cards from your person's energy, and then 2 cards for the relationship, the energy of your relationship in September. So let's start here. Queen of Wands. So this is, I'm pulling first your cards, Queen of Wands. So Queen of Wands is like you are very passionate, you are very passionate, you are focused towards your relationship. This is your energy, Scorpio, in which you are very dedicated person in love. You really love your person, you want to be with them, you want to share your moments of love with them. This is what I feel here. And you are very much, your person might be, because it's a very attractive, you also look very attractive. This could be an Aries or a Pisces, what I see here. So the Queen of Wands. Let's see what else. You see a future with your person here. You were seeing a future with your person. This is what I get. What else for Scorpio? Also, I feel that you maybe some of you are ambitious, and you want to balance your ambition and love life. You are doing that balancing act. So let's see what else for Scorpio. There comes the King of Swords after Queen. So there is something you want to cut away. It's a person or a situation from your life. Some clarity has come to you, some truth has come to you, and you want to cut away something. Maybe you're just thinking of cutting the person or the situation away, or you have decided to cut away in September. Now it could be the person in your life. Being a love reading, this is a person in your life. A secret has come out. Maybe they have been cheating on you, or there is a deceit, or there is some secret which you have come to know. Also it could be that you were putting a lot of effort, you were doing all the things for the relationship because you are the Queen of Wands energy here, but you did not get a commitment from them. They are commitment phobic, they ran away, they were to and fro, they were giving you no contact, and maybe you were at a distance, they were acting distant. It could be physical distant, mental distant, and you got fed up of all these situations, and now you want to just call off this relationship. This is what I get here. They seem not to commit to you, so maybe you will decide to cut off, or you may just cut off this person from your life here in September. So one more card for Scorpio. The High Priestess. That's what I told you, that there are something hidden, Scorpio, that you will find out in the month of September. And this is King of Swords that come regarding your relationship. Maybe your person is cheating on you, there's a deceit, they are seeing someone else. This card tells you to maintain balance. Secrets will come out, just give some time. This is what again I get here. So this is the High Priestess card. It's cards of intuition. Whatever your intuition is telling you, that is correct, that is the truth. So the truth is coming out, with your intuition, and you need to maintain balance, you need to be patient, and you need to give some time. Everything will come out in the light. So these are your 3 cards. So you still feeling hopeless, you're feeling rejected, because you get to know something later in September, or you have come, you were very passionate about them, but now that you are feeling very helpless to rejected. So now I will see your person's energy. Energies could be vice versa too. So I hope you know this, that energies are vice versa. Ace of Swords. This is your person's energy. This talks about clarity. I mean, in a situation, it's about truth. It's about, you know, a message coming to you. Your person might be reaching out to you with a message. This is what I get here in September, and which will get you the clarity for the situation, you know, whether moving forward or all is fine or not. So it's about truth, about a message coming, about a breakthrough situation coming here to you, so that you will have clarity, you will be decisive. So it's just come below this Queen of Wands energy, the first card of yours and first card of the person. So maybe there is a clarity coming to you in this September regarding your person is going to message you, or even if they do not message, you will come to know from some sources. But definitely there will be some clarity here. Maybe they will reach out to you with a message, or they may talk to you, they may meet you up somewhere. Okay, so let me see, because Swords energy talks about communication. What else? Eight of Pentacles. So this is like I see for some of them now, once you decide to, you know, take them, cut them away, they might want to come back and, you know, work on this situation. This is what I feel with your person's energy. Eight of Pentacles. They will be ready to do the hard work. They will be ready to put in the effort, because this is coming below the King of Swords. This is coming below this. So King of Swords energy. So maybe they will just come back and they will realize their mistake, and, you know, they might put in the effort and the hard work that is required to take this relationship forward. Maybe you both will take a leap of faith, and, you know, you will want to see where this relationship goes, and maybe there is a reconciliation also, what I see here. So your person might come back and they will try to work hard on this situation as soon as they feel that you are trying to move away from them. Sorry, let me just pick up. So one more card. But you miss them a lot, what I see here, and they, you know, your partner also thinks about you. But it also with Eight of Pentacles, there could be one more storyline that, you know, they are focused on their money situation, their career. This is for, again, some of you here. For some of you, already I told, the first one is that they will come back and work hard, and some of them are focused in their money situation, career, growth, expansion, and love is not a priority for them. In that case, you might cut the person out of your life. This is what I get here. So one more card. Eight of Swords. So here it seems they are overthinking. They are thinking about the situation. They are feeling trapped. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling, you know, it shows that they have also anxiety, pain. But everything is in their head. Like they are feeling that the situation, whether it will work for them, you know, or is a stress for them. So it's just come below this High Priestess, and this has come below the High Priestess. So it seems that maybe also I get that, you know, they are feeling anxiety. They are cheating on you. There is a deceit. So they are worried that, you know, their secrets are coming out. Some of them may be worried about this, that they will be caught. The secrets will come out in September. And, you know, so this is what, and that is making them, you know, that is making them feel uncomfortable. And they are worried. This is what I feel here, that your person, whoever is in the third party or love triangle or cheating on you, is scared of you, is, you know, that their secret coming out, and they are worried about it. They have fear about losing this relationship here. So this is what I get here. There will be, even if there is a reconciliation, I think lot of work needs to be put in, and for some, definitely some secret is coming out, and you will decide. You have the King of Swords here, so you will decide. You will take the call this time, Scorpio, about having this person in your life or not. This relationship wise, what is the energy for Scorpio? Relationship wise, what will be the energy for Scorpio? So this is Justice. justice card. So you want justice, or you will be seeking justice. Justice is like balance, maintaining your balance, maintaining your equilibrium. Some of you with this justice card, in case of married couples, there could be divorce, there could be an alimony settlement, but whatever it is, if you have been good, if you have done your work properly, it is in your favor. Justice will be done fairly. Even with relationship, if your person has cheated you, you will get justice. The divine will make a way to take care of their cheating. So don't worry, you don't need to do the dirty work of taking revenge. There is some other things, let the divine take its course. This is what I feel here. So justice will be done fairly. This is what, and you will be fair to your person. This is also what I get. If they are coming with back to you with they want them to be forgiven, so you will do that. This is again what I get. Now this is a Libra person. Also there is a air energy, Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. Again double Libra, okay. And there is Swords energy, there is Pentacle, Earth energy here. So lot of them. Virgo is there. There is Aquarius, there is Leo, Aries, Saggy. Swords, again a lot of air energy here. So let me pull up 2 cards for relationship here. Justice, one has been put, and the other one is Nine of Wands. So it talks about you will be guarded. Some of you will forgive your person and get back, or you will treat them fairly, or you will cut out. It is going to be fair decision. And some of you will be still guarded, but you will be stuck on this situation. You will not give up this relationship. You might be stuck, you might be hurt, you might be discontented, but you will be hopeful. You will not give up on this relationship. That is what I get here. Now this angel guidance card for you here, Scorpio. 7 deadly sins, humanity's destructive traits. So stay away from sins like those 7 heavenly is what, be good to others, don't speak lies, be kind, treat everyone equally. So these are the good traits of as humans we have. So we need to follow that, and things will be moving great for you in love. So all the best. This is it. Till then, take care. Bye. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and stay blessed.